Hey everybody, I am going to be doing a de-stash video. Before I get into all of the collections, it's going to be United States only, and I will invoice you through PayPal. That's how I'm doing this, PayPal only. So if you are interested in the lot, I will number them and leave me a comment down below with your PayPal email address, and you need to pay within 24 hours of when I send out the invoice, and I will ship everything on Friday. Today is Tuesday. I am going to be doing one shipping day just to make it a little bit easier. And you will receive a tracking information and all of that sort of thing. All of the everything is going to be shipped in medium flat rate boxes. So a lot of these you can fit 2 collections or lots in one box. So keep that in mind, and that will knock down the price a little bit because these prices are including shipping, which I believe the medium flat rate box is $12 or $13. So I think they are priced fairly reasonable. So yeah, I think that's it. United States only. I'm going to send you an invoice. Leave your PayPal email down below, and you need to pay within 24 hours. If you do not pay within 24 hours, I am just going to move on to the next person. I'm not going to email back and forth and wait around or anything like that. All right, so first collection is the Sweet Peppermint. So I have this pack of flowers. They are unopened. They are shimmery. I have this unopened pack of ephemera. There's 46 pieces. Give you an idea, there's stickers and a little birdie and things. All right, all of the journaling cards are in here. There's 2 packs of these watercolor resist tags. Love these. And this is an unopened chipboard and more pack. You can see all of the chipboard pieces. There's a little bottle with a little tree in there with some glitter, some sequins. The 6x6 collection has, sorry, I have my notes to the side here, has 33 full sheets, and there is a few stickers missing, but there is lots of paper in here still. Okay, then the A4 collection, same thing. There is some paper missing. Let me see, 17 full sheets of paper still in here. All of the cards are there, all of the, what is that? The alphabet stickers, and all of these stickers are still in here as well. You can see all of this. Okay, 8x8 pack is, oh, I'm sorry. This one has 19 full sheets. This one is the one that has 17 full sheets of paper still. All the cards are there, alphabet stickers are there, and there is a few of these stickers gone. And there is lots of scrap papers in here as well. I'm just gonna leave in there because they were in there, so. All right, and for the 12x12 papers, so there is 6 designs, and each design has at least 7 sheets of paper, front and back. So I'm not going to go through them all, but I think some of them have 8. I think one of them has 9 sheets, but these are all different designs, so you get quite a bit of 12x12 paper as well. This one is going to be priced at $50 shipped in the US, and that is the Sweet Peppermint, and this is lot 1. All right, this is lot 2, which is a combination of the Flirty Floor and Zelatil. I think they go perfectly together, and that's why I kind of paired some of them together. This one is going to be, what do I have here, $35 shipped, and I'm going to show you what I have. So I have the 12 by 12 paper pack of the Flirty Floor. This one has the foil on it. I can't think. So I'm just going to show you really quickly. Quite a bit of paper still left in here. Lots of it. I don't even know if I used really any, maybe a few sheets out of here. All right, so that's that. Then I have some of these word stickers. There is 81 of them, unopened. Then I have maybe half of the 4x6 note cards. There's still lots of them in here. They have lots of different quotes. All of the same backing. So those. Then I have the paper pack. This one is unopened. So all of the papers are in there. Then I have the chipboard stickers. And I think these are unopened. Well, unused, I should say. They're opened. Oh no, I did use one sticker from here. Chipboard sticker, so. And these have foil on them. Got those. There's 62 of them, because I did use one. Then I have some Seiden crystals. Then I have this unopened, or 2 unopened packs of flowers. These have those gorgeous butterflies in them. Then I have this goodie pack. This is really good for planners or journals or scrapbooking, whatever you want to use it for. This is like a magnet. I think there's like pockets. Yeah, stickers and different things in here. Oh, I have another one of these word sticker packs. Let's get 2 of those. And then this little paper pack, flower pack. I don't know how many flowers I used out of here. It looks like maybe half of them are still left in there. So again, this is lot 2 and this is $35. All right, next is the French Riviera. And here is the chipboard. I don't know how many is left, but you could see there's still quite a bit left in here. I'm guessing maybe half of the 3x4 cards are left in here. Maybe a little less, but you could see how many is left in here. Then I have the 6x6 paper. There is a sticker gone from here. Alphabet stickers are still there. Looks like all of the paper is still there. I love this paper, it's so pretty. Okay. Oh, and there is some cards in the back as well that you can cut out. Then I have the 4x6 note cards. Looks like there is quite a bit left in here as well. Have the A4 collection. Let's see what's left in here. So I got all of the cards left. A few of the stickers are gone. Some of the alphabet stickers. And looks like all of the paper is in here. Okay, and the 12x12 paper, there is a lot. And I'm guessing there's at least 50 sheets of paper here. So, I mean, they're front and back. You get lots of different, I know there is at least a few of each design. This one probably has to be my favorite. It's so pretty in the back. So just to give you an idea. Okay, so that is lot 3 and that is $35 shipped. This next lot is going to be lot 4, which collection is this? Tales of You and Me. Okay, and this one is going to be $30 shipped. So you have a pack of chipboard pieces. I don't know if I used any in here. It looks like they could all be there, but you could see there's quite a bit in there. Then some random flowers that coordinate with the collection. Some of the 4x6 note cards left. Just gonna skim through. I don't know why they did these random bright colors with this shabby collection, but you know. Alright, so that's what's left of that. A few of the 3x4 cards are left. These don't have any quotes on them. They're just kind of images and florals and things. The 6x6 paper pack is unopened, so you have all of the stickers, all of the alphabet stickers. I'm not going to open it because, as you could see, there's still the stickers left on there. Let's get that full. The A4 pack. See, a few of the stickers are gone. All of the alphas are there. And all of these papers. This paper collection is so gorgeous, so shabby. It's beautiful. Alright, this collection has 22 sheets of 12x12 paper. And again, this is lot 4, Tales of You and Me, for $30 shipped. Alright, this one is lot 5. This is the Wild and Free collection. This one is going to be $25 shipped. It has 10 sheets of 12x12 papers. And no, they are not all the same. There's different. And a unopened A4 collection. Very few sheets in here of the 6x6. Stickers left, alphas left, and the cards in the back left, and then the chipboards pieces. So that's what I have for Wild and Free. Again, that is lot 5, and it's going to be $25 shipped. Alright, this one is Love Story. This is lot 6. This is going to be, I don't know if I use this or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like maybe. Yes, I don't know. Yes, I did use it because there's this paper here. But I think I only used it for one project. So there is still lots and lots of paper in here. This one has foil on there. Let me show you the cards, the paper. This is so shabby and pretty. And this does have foil on it, so just keep that in mind. I think that's why I didn't really use a lot of it, because it has the foil on there. Got feathers, whoops. Alright, and then we have the flowers, which they look to all be there. Then we have some more random flowers. Ephemera, which I didn't open this one. And I have another ephemera. So I like to buy 2 ephemeras. I did open this one. I had stamped on the back. So this one's opened. I believe this one is unopened. Okay. And chipboard. I believe these are unopened. Yes, unopened chipboard. And the 6x6 looks to be unopened. So these do not have the stickers or anything in them, like some of the older collections. So that is the 6x6 paper pack. All of it's there. So that is Love Story, and this one is going to be $30 shipped, and this is lot 6. Alright, so this one is lot 7. This one is the Amelia Rose collection with some rose quartz flowers mixed in, just because I thought that the floral or the colors matched really closely. So we have opened, unopened, unopened, opened flowers. So 4 sets of flowers, and then some puffy stickers that were opened. And the ephemera pack was opened. I don't know what was taken out of it, but I can tell because when I open ephemera pack, I add a tiny little staple there. So that's how I know that it's been opened. It looks to be, you know, still a lot in there. The stickers are unopened, or at least unused. The A4 pack looks to be unused. You guys can see the papers. Cannot think today. All right. And the 12 by 12 papers looks to have all of them. Okay. So these have foil on them. Let me show you. So lots of foil in this collection. Okay. Beautiful floral images. All right, so this one is the Amelia Rose, and that's going to be $35 shipped, and it is lot 7. All right, this one is the Deputed Collection. This one is quite old. I don't have any ephemera or anything to go with it, but this is what I have. So I have 2 A4 collections. Oh, the backing is off of there, but as you could see, there is quite a lot of paper left. Same with this one. So lots of A4 papers. And I believe I counted, and there is over 25 papers, I think is what I counted in here. But you could see that there is quite a bit. And they are double-sided, of course. Oh, there's an A4 paper. I think actually there's 22 papers, I think is what I counted. So 22 papers, and this one is $25 shipped. All right, so this is lot 9. This is going to be random things, and this is going to be $25 shipped. So I have some of the Royal Menagerie collection. Love the note cards. Very few of the 6x6. Looks like to be quite a bit of the A4 paper. This would be really good for some art journaling or something. Then I have some Seashore collection. This one looks to have quite a lot of the A4 papers in there. Some scraps in there. Some of the chipboard 6x6 paper pack. All right, 6x6 paper pack. Let's see here, lots of paper there. Then a A4 princess collection. Really pretty. Okay, and then this one is Delight. This one is like very few in here. Okay, so that is that one. And again, this is lot 9, and this one is just random, which is going to be $25 shipped. All right, that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.